Now we are here. You can see these girls are now learning. You can call them training if you want. They are now learning how to pluck, how to prepare and sort out the vegetables for drying. You can see she's removing the leaves. See, they are removing the leaves and they put it into this bucket. They are now being trained. These are the vegetables we just bought in the morning, and therefore the process now has gone into sorting and preparing them for drying. So these girls are here on apprenticeship, learning how to do it, and then when they are experts, they can still also go and do it in their own homes. So now we are preparing these vegetables for sun drying. And we have been told that this is saka. Saka, we don't even waste the stems. Once we remove the leaves, the stems can also be chopped, dried, and made into flour. They will be making gravy. You can use them to make gravy. You can also eat them because of the nutrition that they have. So as I said, these ladies are now learning and doing training on how to prepare the vegetables for sun drying. So they are what we call OJB, on job training. They are learning it. They get the experts, and this spreads throughout the village, throughout the area, and therefore this community will be a community knowing how to add value to the vegetables. We are no longer going to sell vegetables in their raw form, particularly when they are glut, when there is a lot of harvest. They do this, and we increase the shelf life. These stems that you can see here, these stems that they are now removing from the leaves have been removed. This is Mito and Murenta. This one, it can either be animal feed, it can be compost manure. So we are saying nothing goes to waste in terms of these vegetables. You can see the stems here. You can see the stems here. These stems that you can see, this brownish, those will be removed, and those can now go into compost to make manure, and manure will go back to the vegetable garden or kitchen gardens. This will be organic manure, much better than the DAP that inorganic that we buy from the shops. So this is a whole value chain with all the benefits that you will get from it. Madam, wewe unaitwa nani?
Caroline Nafula.
Caroline Nafula. Unasoma wapi?
Niko kwangu.
Oh, wewe uko kwako? Naona kaa mtu anakuambia kama 12 years. Uko kwako na watoto? Hey, so this is somebody earning a living here, is getting an income. She looks young, but she's actually married, she has children, and therefore she's eking out a living here. Na unaitwa nani?
Levina Wakoli.
Levina Wakoli. Levina Wakoli. Unasoma wapi? Lutonyi. Kwa kilasi gani? 6. Sasa hapa unajifundisha kufanya hii kazi. Ulikuwa zamani unafanya hii kazi. Were you doing this job before? No. So you started learning from here. Wewe unaitwa nani? Glory. Unasoma wapi? Lutonyi. Kwa kilasi gani? 7. So can this be part of agriculture? Mnasoma agriculture kwa shule? Sasa hii ni practicals yako ya agriculture, mnafanya experiment. Na unaitwa nani?
Cynthia Wekesa.
Unasoma wapi?
Mukunga.
Eh?
Makunga.
Makunga. Unasoma kwa class gani?
8.
Class 8. Mnafanyanga agriculture?
Ndio.
Agriculture gani ndio mnafanya?
Kupanda mboga.
Kupanda mboga. So these school girls are saying they actually do agriculture in their schools. Apart from the lady who is already married and a family, these ones like are class 8, class 6, they do agriculture in their schools, and here they are now. They have an opportunity to practice it, and when they go back to school, they will have more experience than the ones who are just learning it from the books. So you can now also see that this project can actually also assist in the educational system. These girls are doing this learning. If you want, you can call it competence-based curriculum if you want, the CBC. And therefore, when they go back, they have the experience. And when they graduate, they already know what they can do with the experience. So this is a project that is multi-purpose, income generating, awareness creation, and educational, as you can see from these girls who are still in school and putting their theory into practice here by doing what they are doing.